Yeah, he wasn't 100% sure about the timing, said it was late, said it was after he went to sleep. So maybe if there's cross of this witness, they'll bring that up, but we will see. Also, I want to ask you about the way that this victim died. We've got the autopsy report took a year before they could conclude that it was a murder. And I think it's probably going to be difficult for them to pinpoint a time of death. Does that muddy things up when it comes to an alibi?
I think it was October 3rd that he started the burn pit.
July 3rd.
People over July 3rd. Sorry, that he started the burn pit, and then he had people over, and then he was found dead the day after. So the timeline is going to be all over the place. Listen, I like the opening statement of the prosecution. They said, you need to shrink your world and you need to just look at the following facts. She had the motive. She was there. She was the only person who was there. She committed this murder. I'm not saying they're right. I'm saying that they have basically ossified the minds of the jury to say, this is your person. She's sitting in the court right now wearing very expensive clothing and pearls, and she had every motive. She even said, I hope he had a gruesome death, right? So they're gonna.
2 years before, Michael. 2 years before she said that in a rocky marriage.
No, I know. I'm just saying they're gonna paint her as a villain. This is a villain type style prosecution. They want to paint her as a villain. I don't know if she's done herself any favor, but at the end of the day, the circumstantial evidence does show that she hated her husband, right? So whether or not the prosecution is going to overcome this, I'm really interested in seeing how the defense comes out, and really interested in seeing the closing statements. But in terms of the timing of the death, they're not going to be able to say this was the exact time of death. This case has a lot of circumstantial evidence against her, circumstantial evidence in her favor. So it's going to be a challenge one way or the other.